Hey guys, this is Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment, and behind me today we're going to be going over the CK20 series. However, in particular, we're going to be specializing in the CK2620 today, specifically with a grapple and a backhoe. So behind me is a CK2620 hydrostatic tractor, which is Kiot's #1 selling model, and also Orchard Hill's #1 selling model here. And it has a KB2475L backhoe on the back, a KL4030C loader on the front, and a KG2054 grapple on the front as well. These are all Kioti products, which means you can fully finance all this at Kiot's great low rate incentives right now, which is an awesome deal and a very good monthly payment. And we're just going to kind of show you the ins and the outs of this package. This is a package we actually have listed on our website from time to time. So you can check that out. For the most part, we try to keep that price updated with all current programs. It is on our website right now, so feel free to check it out. It's one of our best selling packages, actually, with the grapple or, backhoe grapple package, or without the backhoe, just loader grapple package is definitely popular. Gets a lot of work done, especially in a brush-filled property, which seems to be a common occurrence here in New England, in our couple states around us. And yeah, let's take a walk. We'll show you all about this machine. So up front, we have standard a 66-inch Kioti front bucket. This bucket is set up with a bolt-on 66-inch reversible cutting edge. Customer decided to add that option to this bucket just for wear and tear purposes, let it last longer. And when it wears out one side, he's going to unbolt it, flip it around, and wear out the other side. Let's talk about the Kioti grapples. We have not done a ton of video work on the Kioti KG grapple series. These have been insanely popular here at our dealership, and we're very, very well impressed with these units. They are made in Korea, where the tractors are, and have a very good quality build to these. I believe they're made with AR400 steel. The KG2054 is probably our most popular seller for the CK series. We also sell a lot of KG2060s. It is not uncommon to walk in the dealership and have these be sold out. These are all commonly sold out. We always have them on order, coming and going, so that's a common thing. They do a good serrated tooth with some angle iron to support each tooth. You go up to the 40 series, so a KG4066, for example, and the thickness and the gauge of the steel is a little bit better. But obviously on a smaller tractor, we want something that's beefy, but not too beefy, not too heavy for this loader. This loader is going to be capable of lifting up 1,900 pounds. So if we are going to stick a grapple on the front that weighs 500 pounds, you're decreasing that by a substantial amount. This is only about 250, 258 pounds, which is a perfect number for this loader to still be very, very efficient. So good thing it's dual piston, so pistons are in back of the grapple, all inner tube grease fittings, much like their loaders are, which is an awesome feature. And of course, skid steer quick attach. All the hydraulic lines are pretty well covered here with some plating in the back. And yeah, so great setup on this loader. We definitely like it. This loader is a loader that lifts about 98.5 inches tall to the bottom pivot pin here, and comes standard with a bucket level indicator. Comes standard with these quick release drop down legs and pull pins and quick release hydraulic lines. It does not come standard with a third function, although that is something that we have here plumbed today, because this is a grapple package, so of course you need that to operate the pistons on the grapple. They're right up front here, quick couplers, 1/2-inch farm style couplers, and they run their own third function valve box right here, all protected, nice tucked away. And buttons are going to be right here to operate that third function on the loader joystick. On the CK2620 series, you do get the choice of 4 tires. R14 are what we have pictured here today. You can also get turf tires, R4 industrial tires, ag tires, and so forth. So 4 tire choices, all pretty close in price. The R14 are a little bit more expensive, but we're only talking a few bucks, so nothing too major. Grill guard comes standard when you buy a loader. Standard practice when you get a loader with Kioti, do you get this? On some other brands, you actually got to pay extra for a grill guard. The hood is all metal, and new styling, new and improved styling for the 20 series, which is great. All new LED headlights, much brighter at nighttime, of course, and that is always a good thing. Servicing this machine, you can do all of that yourselves. Obviously, our customers come in here and oftentimes, aren't knowing what to expect, right? They've never owned a tractor before, they're a homeowner, and they don't really know how in-depth the servicing gets on these machines. These machines are as simple as mainly changing fluids, filters, greasing the machine, and tightening bolts from time to time. Obviously, anything can break on a tractor, and you might need to bring it here for a service or a major overhaul, but if you can change engine oil on a car, I can tell you that this is going to be as easy, if not easier. So doing your own service is not a bad thing. All we ask the customer is to keep your warranty valid. They want to see you using the proper filters, proper fluids, which you can usually get at your local Kioti dealer. And that's about it. As long as we're putting the proper quantities of oils, the proper filters, the proper fluids, and doing the required maintenance that's in the owner's manual, you're pretty much set. There's a 6-year powertrain warranty on these machines, which is going to cover your engine, your transmission, and your front end completely for 6 years, unlimited hours, which is a nice thing. Some brands have hour cutoffs that they don't tell you about. There's a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty on this machine, which is going to cover everything on the tractor itself, excluding attachments. So no loader, no backhoe, but when we're talking, outside powertrain, what are we talking about? Alternator, starter, your headlights crap out, your seat cracks, your dash stops working, your blinkers stop working, etc., etc. Those are all in your 2-year bumper-to-bumper. This is a hydrostatic tractor, which is 3-range transmission, so you have a low, medium, and a high range transmission. Commonly seen in this category of tractor, you do have forward and reverse side-by-side pedals. That is a major difference. Some of the brands run a rocker pedal. Most people that hop on one versus the other definitely tend to prefer these side-by-side pedals that we are offering on the Kioti. You get much more legroom space there, and it's just more comfortable. That's all there is to it. You'll also notice that the hump in the middle of the floor is not too bad. It's only about 2 to 3 inches tall. A lot of other brands are running a hump that is nearly double that, so getting on and off the tractor is a breeze in this machine. The throttle right here on the dash is nice and tucked away. This engine in the 2620 is an engine that has been around for decades. It is the motor that was in the old CK30 and a few other models. Now, it's not 30 horsepower anymore. Basically, in 2012, 2013, the government regulated emissions on these engines, and Kioti decided, let's make 35 and 40 horsepower, and then let's also take that old 30 horsepower motor, instead of redesigning a new motor, let's take that motor and turn down the engine to produce less horsepower so it meets all the EPA standards. So they did. So all I can tell you folks is you are buying a tractor that has a motor that is capable of more. So you are not wearing and tearing out this motor and destroying it by running it at a higher RPM. This engine is governed down quite a bit. So very good, reliable machine. No emissions on this tractor whatsoever. So as simple as a 1990s tractor to maintain under the hood for any diesel mechanic to understand or service. So that's always a great thing. The tractor has glow plugs like any old machine to preheat it in the winter. The tractor has a float on the loader. When you get a backhoe on this unit, you get 2 sets of rear remotes. So those are levers that are located right by your hip over here. And not every other brand does this. Most other brands plumb in the backhoe hydraulics via the power beyond at the bottom of the loader valve. So these are different. They're separate valves for the backhoe. That means you can run separate attachments when you don't use your backhoe. So there's a detent right here. So you can detent. That would be great for your backhoe, turning the backhoe on. Or let's say a log splitter. You turn your log splitter on, and now you have a valve on your log splitter to open and close the ram to split your wood. And then over here, we have a spring-loaded valve, which is another open valve back there and is great for something with a piston. Let's say we have a rake on the back with a piston to angle that rake. That's an awesome feature. You can use that. Loader has a loader lock, and that would allow, this tractor's off right now. The lock is locked. You can't drop that loader to the ground. But of course, if we release it and we drop that, you're going to see that loader falling to the ground. So a nice little safety feature. This customer added armrests, a cheap little option to add to the machine, common option added to this machine. But standard, we do get a deluxe seat of, hydraulic cushioning adjustment valve and forward and reverse on that seat. Diff lock and four-wheel drive are mechanical. 3-point hitch is a mechanical lever. PTO is on and off with a lever on the other side. and singular, you know, parking brake in the center here. We move to the back. You got a folding ROPS bar, so you can fit it in a garage. It's just a little bit above 6 foot, not by much, when you do have that folded. The fuel tank is also in the back here. Holds about 9 gallons, 9.5 gallons. 7.5 foot backhoe back here. These backhoes are pretty powerful for their horsepower. Definitely give a good punch. There's a lot of options available for these backhoes, including outrigger pads, both a dirt pad and a street pad. The buckets, you can go 12, 9, 18, 16, 24. There's a lot of different bucket sizes. This is a 16-inch that we're looking at here. They are removable teeth that you can unbolt and have a flat bottom bucket, just like that, quick and easy. All the grease fittings, or the majority of them that are touching the dirt that get most worn out, are inner tube, which is good, less banging them off. Backhoe has a full swing of 180 degrees. Actually, it's a little bit over 180, honestly. The outriggers and everything on this backhoe has lockers. So this boom has a lock right here. You're going to see these arms have a lock on the side, which not many other brands have. So these can't sag. And there's also a locker for spinning the backhoe side to side. That's a great feature. Separate seated backhoe, which is awesome. No spinning around that seat and crunching your fingers in a spin around seat anymore. And full 3-point hitch, something unique about Kioti's backhoe design. You keep your 3-point hitch on, which are these arms, when you have your backhoe on. And you remove your backhoe and you're ready to hook up to your rake or box blade or mower. Not every other brand does this. Every other brand holds their backhoe closer to the machine, and you have to remove all the 3-point hitch mechanism before, you know, when you want to hook up your backhoe. So just creates another step, another possibility on losing parts. And that's just one of the added benefits to this backhoe. It is quite easy to remove the backhoe, just as easy as every other brand. You have 2 pins in the back and 2 hydraulic lines. So quick and easy on and off. Seats adjustable in the backhoe, up and down, you know, back and forth. And yeah, we're really happy with this series of tractor. We have sold a lot of these over the years. Generally, every week this model is sold, if not multiple every week. A week ago, I think we sold 3 or 4 of these in 1 week. So it is our best seller by far. It is one of our most reliable models we sell and simplest to maintain, and a very, you know, long-lasting machine. And the price point on this is just really phenomenal. A lot of people are blown away. Oftentimes the model below it is really close in price, and you get a huge bang for your buck here. You know, 1,900 pounds of lift, 7.5 foot backhoe, nice grapple setup. Definitely is a good tractor for, you know, small property, landscape company, small homesteader, all that type of stuff. So we're gonna